A firewall is like a security guard for your digital world. It controls who can enter or leave your network, keeping bad actors out and allowing safe traffic in. Whether it's a software installed on your computer or a physical device, a firewall ensures your data is safe. Firewalls work by checking data called packets moving through your network. Think of these packets as tiny parcels of information. A firewall examines each one to decide, should it pass or be blocked? This decision is based on rules like who sent it, where is it going, what's inside. There are different types of firewalls. Packet filtering, it's like a simple guard checking IDs, stateful inspection. This guard remembers past interactions to decide. Deep packet inspection, think of it as custom security, deeply examining what's inside. Modern firewalls don't just block traffic, they offer more services like VPN, securely connect from anywhere, anti-malware block viruses before they reach you, content filtering, keep harmful websites away, data protection, stop sensitive info from leaking. Without a firewall, your network is like an open door, easy for hackers and viruses to enter. Firewalls protect your personal data, prevent cyber attacks, and ensure your digital space remains secure.